Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to add chat overlay on your TikTok live. It's actually very easy, so let's get started. All right, so first things first, you have to open your TikTok live studio, and then you have to come over here, click on this plus sign at the right hand side of your screen to add sources. All right, so once you click that, next thing you want to do is to come right here and select this chat box option right here. So go ahead, select that, and as you can see, here is actually a preview of how it's going to look on your live stream. All right, so what you have to do now is to click on this add button right here. So again, this is the preview of your chat box, right? So what you have to do next is go ahead and click on this add source. But before you do that, there's a few things you can do, like customizing your chat box. Now as you can see, here is actually where you can actually customize your chat box. You can select what you want to include, like from here you can see you can add comments, gifts, likes, new followers, new viewers, etc. All right, and if you don't want any of these, you just go ahead and uncheck like this and it will be removed. All right, so if you want to have all of them selected, leave it that way. Now here it's actually the chat animation. Here you can select how you want to display from, either from bottom, left, or right. All right, so after customizing this, next thing you want to do is to consider customizing your appearance as well. So here's the tab for appearance. Click on that and you can see you can change some settings for your appearance. All right, so go ahead and customize to your test. After that, go ahead and click on this add source. Once you do that, it's going to be added to your live stream. All right, so if you want to do that, just here's the source. As you can see, it's now added to your sources right here. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, you can see it's displaying right here on your screen. All right, so now you can now resize it to your test. You can just resize by expanding like this, and you can easily drag and drop to any part of your screen. All right, so once you're done with that, go ahead and click on this go live button right here and start your live stream. Then you can start seeing how it works on your live stream. So that's it guys, and now you can actually set up chats overlay on TikTok live. Hope this guide was helpful and you now know how to do it. If yes, give this video a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys.